Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Christopher, and first I want to start off, as I always do, by saying good luck to everybody in the class. I hope your semester goes well. I know we just got out of a rough summer semester. Hopefully, everybody has implemented some self care techniques and has taken care of themselves over the 1 week break that we had. I know I have. So let's just jump right into the questions that were posed to us for this particular icebreaker. I've already said it. My name is Christopher. My last name is King. My field placement has allowed me to work for New Point Behavioral Healthcare, specifically in the IOP, I guess, program. So IOP stands for Intensive Outpatient Program. And what I do there is facilitate, or rather, I co facilitate open process therapy groups. The program runs Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and it runs from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And so from 10 to 12, I co facilitate open process therapy groups where the group is allowed to discuss whatever they would like. It's more of a free association type group where whatever's on the client's minds they can discuss. After that, we break from 12 to 12:30, and then from 12:30 to 2 on Mondays I have been facilitating individually my own psychoeducation groups where it's a little bit more structured. I have a planned itinerary, and it's seeking to help the clients develop and implement skills, including social skills, self-care skills, and other additional things that are associated with mental illness, things that will help them throughout their life, or whatever the clients would like to sort of be educated on. So it's gone as far as me doing a sort of a music therapy education type psychoeducation group where we talked a little bit about the importance of music and its therapeutic benefits and what music meant to those clients. Everybody shared. And then we did an exercise where everybody chose their favorite song and why and how it's helped them in their life. And I have Spotify and I have a Bluetooth speaker. And so on that day, we got to listen to each other's favorite songs. And besides just, having the therapeutic benefit of listening to the songs and just grooving, I guess, during the psychoeducation group, we also got the benefit of getting to know each other a little bit more. When you hear someone's favorite song, it says a lot about that person that they don't necessarily feel comfortable sharing themselves. And so it has run a gamut of topics, and that's probably the most informal it has been. So that's my field placement. What I hope to get out of this course, I've written this down just because I wanted to put some thought into this answer. So what I hope to get out of this course is a better understanding of the number of negative ways past, present, and anticipated future trauma can impact an individual, and therefore the theoretical approaches which have been proven most effective based on evidence for these types of issues and these types of clients. I think this will be important as far as our careers are concerned in the long term, because most clients that we will see will have already undergone some sort of trauma. In my experience, I don't have much experience but in the little experience that I've had, I would say maybe 8 out of 10 of the people that present to the groups that I help to co-facilitate have experienced some sort of trauma. If it's not still active, they've experienced something in the past. So trauma touches a lot of people's lives, and if you're just looking at a population based on the experience of trauma, I'm sure that population would be very large. Therefore, it would behoove us as burgeoning social workers to learn about the dynamics of trauma, how to prevent oneself and a client from being re-traumatized based on cues and certain variables within the environment and in the way that you seek to help that particular individual. So for those reasons, I think it's very important for us to learn early what trauma is and how to treat it and the impact it can have on a client. 3 things that I do to take care of myself right now include meditation. I practice mindfulness meditation almost every night, and I'm up to 20 minutes. I started with 5. I'm proud to say that I'm up to 20, and I hope to grow a little bit more, but it's my way of staying calm and peaceful. And furthermore, I found that it's been extremely helpful in helping me manage my sort of quasi-social anxiety when it comes to performing in front of a group of people, especially knowing that I'll be scrutinized. I used to get very nervous, but after meditating for a while now, I can say that I approach that in a much more calm state than I used to. so it really helps me. Other than that, music, I actually sing, and over the break I even recorded an entire album. I wrote, produced, I did all the background harmonies and tracks in GarageBand. I made a 10-song album, and if it serves no other purpose other than to narrate my experience this summer, it was worth it. That's a creative outlet, and um, I like to think of myself as a creative individual. So music and other creative outlets are another form of self-care that I practice often. And then last but not least, when all else fails, you got food, right? So a pint of Ben and Jerry's rum raisin has my name on it for emergency situations. So those are the three ways that I plan on taking care of myself throughout this entire semester. And with that being said, I guess that's the end of the questions. And once more, I just want to wish everybody the best of luck this semester. And if there's any way that I can help or provide any feedback, then just let me know. Thank you guys and have a good day.